What is up YouTube? It's your girl Stormialena back at it again with another video. So in today's video, we're gonna do a all girls night out chocolate smoky eye look, and this eye look is gonna be very basic, very easy. Kahit na alam mo yun, baguhan ka lang sa pagme-makeup, kayang-kaya mo to. So without further ado, let's get right into explaining. So first, kailangan mo munang magkaroon ng flawless na foundation. Okay? So first, kailangan mong mag-spot correct yung mga imperfections, tabunan, and pagkatapos, saka mo lagyan ng foundation. And of course, blend it with a damp sponge. So in today's video is medyo ko siyang smudge, hindi siya damp motion. Kasi we want our makeup to be light, like hindi siya light. Alam mo yun, medyo sheer coverage lang yung foundation. So, that's what I'm going for in this makeup look. And that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, next. Okay, after natin mablend ng ating foundation, maglalagay naman tayo ng concealer sa ating mga under eye bags na dark. And of course, sa mga pimples, sa mga dark spots, mga kung anong sumpa sa inyong pagmumukha, lagyan nyo yan ng concealer para alam mo yun, wala na yung mga sumpa nyo. Okay? Okay, next is magkikilay na tayo. And as you can see here, very pointed yung pangkilay ko. Dapat talaga pointed mga ma'am sir, kasi para easy lang ang pag-drawing nating kilay. And hindi na tayo masyado kailangan mag-concealer after. So, dapat very manipis lang yung ating kilay because that is what we're going for in this look. So, as you can see, naka-shade na yung half ng aking kilay para madali ko lang siyang i-shape to the shape that I wanted it to be. So, yes. Okay, basic. Okay, ayan. Tapos, okay, dapat pantay. And very light lang. And don't, alam mo yun, shade dito sa my inner part. Dito lang sa mga outer part. Like sa mga tail ng ating eyebrows. Okay, next. Okay, next, kailangan nyo ng pang-brush sa kilay para mag-blend yung inyong pang-kilay para hindi siya masyadong harsh. And alam mo yun, perfect ombre na pang-kilay na look ang ating gold here. O, diba? Very easy lang. Ganun lang technique. Basic 1, 2, 3. Okay, next. Okay, next, kailangan natin ng flat brush with concealer or foundation para linisan ang ating kilay. So, ayan, dapat very precise and dapat alam mo na kung saan yung i-conceal mo. Huwag masyadong dikit sa kilay, like very medyo dikit. Pero wag talaga yung dikit na dikit sa ging line mo kasi it wouldn't look that great if ganon siya. Okay, next. Okay, with the same brush, ging blend ko lang siya ng very light, like doon sa mga wala pa nalagyan ng dark na black na pangkilay. So, ginaano ko lang siya, gina-perfect ko lang talaga yung kanyang shape. And you gotta do what you gotta do to have your kilay on fleek because that is the most important, contouring technique na ating makeup, yung kilay, kasi yan ang naga-frame ng ating face. So, dapat perfect ang kilay nyo. So, yes. Okay, next, very light hand. I-blend na natin yung ating concealer sa ating under eyes and sa mga imperfections sa ating face using our fingers. Very light lang, and wag nyo masyadong i-drag kasi our goal here is to cover all the imperfections. So, yes. Okay, perfect na. But if you want it to be more blended, use your damp beauty blender para i-blend more. Okay, next, kailangan natin ng powder. So, ilagay lang natin yan sa whole face natin. But if you don't want this technique, gusto niyo yung very, alam mo yun, snatch na pagka-contour. Don't use this technique if gusto mong magliit itignan yung iyong mukha, but I prefer this technique kasi bulletproof, waterproof, waterproof. So ayan, bulletproof, sweatproof, waterproof, kung ano pa yung proof na na ma-proof yung ating makeup. So, heavy duty talaga itong ganitong technique kasi kahit anong, alam mo yun, kung mag-party-party ka sa labas, okay lang, andyan pa rin yung foundation mo, nakastick pa rin sa iyong pagmumuka if ganito yung technique na gagawin mo. So, since our makeup look is all girls night out, the brown chocolate smoky Trevanes, that this is the technique that I am using. So yes. So after natin mag-banana powder sa ating whole face and neck, hindi dapat tayo makukontento doon dahil lagyan pa natin ng baby powder, of course. Why not coconut? So ang purpose ng baby powder is to highlight and of course to catch out the fallouts ng ating foundation. I mean, ng ating, what do you call this? Eyeshadow. Okay, next, using this Everbelena brown na eyeshadow palette. Yan, get nyo lang yung ganong shade. And, nyo lang, spread nyo lang sa inyong whole eyelids. Just like this, very basic. Alam nyo yun, diva, perfect. And dapat yung pang blend nyo is very lapad na blending brush para madali lang siya i-blend. See? It took me only 15 minutes to blend this eyeshadow out. Diba? Kung nagmamadali kayo, andyan na yung date nyo sa labas, andyan na yung Montero Sports na char. Alam nyo yun, naka-car si Boylet. So, kailangan nyo nang magmadali kasi andyan na siya sa labas. So, you can use this makeup look. Okay, perfect. Okay, next, kailangan natin ng medyo dark. So, ilagay lang natin siya ng medyo baba lang ng nilagyan natin. Ganyan. O, diba? Basic. Diyan lang dito sa parang may bilog ng ating eyelids. Diyan lang talaga sa eyelids. Hindi na i-drag sa taas. Medyo i-drag mo lang sa taas. Pero not totally sa taas na taas. Alam mo yun. As you can see here, ganyan lang. So, very basic. Diba? Wala ka challenge na eyeshadow. But it looks good though. So, if you want heavy makeup every day, you can use this. Kasi 1, 2, 3 steps lang. Very easy. Okay. Alright, next one. Okay, next, using this very dark na brown is ilalagay natin dito sa pinakababa. And just spread it out. Just like that. Very basic, diva. Okay, just do that with both of your eyes and don't worry too much if it wasn't perfect. Just make sure that it is even. Diva, basic. Okay, next, tatanggalin na natin yung ating powder sa ating whole face. Just dust it out using this fluffy brush. So, ayan, perfect. Okay, since merong mga stubborn na baby powder sa aking kilay, so ibabrush lang natin yan. And of course, i-retouch natin kasi gusto natin ng perfect na kilay. So, just grab your black na pangkilay and just draw it out. Okay, very basic, very easy. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next, kailangan natin yung transition shade na pinaka-light na transition shade na unang gilagay natin sa ating eyelids. Dito natin ilagay sa baba. As you can see here, ganyan lang. Okay, very basic, very easy. So, ganyan lang. Kailangan nyo lang na mas maliit na brush to apply those products. So, yes. Okay, next. Okay, next, kailangan natin itong medyo dark na second nilagay natin sa ating eyeshadow. So, bali ang ginagawa natin dito parang reverse lang. So, kung ano yung nilagay natin sa taas na eyeshadow, yun din ang ilagay natin sa baba. So, ayan. In this part, black yung nilagay ko dito sa baba. Para, alam mo yun, mas dramatic, mas, alam mo yun, may intense look. So, ganyan lang. And after that, mag-eyeliner na tayo. So, ang ating eyeliner ngayon is my everyday eyeliner. Very basic cat eye eyeliner. So, ayan. First, dyan ko muna nilagay. And dapat pantay, magkabilaan. So, take your time lang. Kasi kapag nag-mess up ka sa eyeliner mo, your whole look will be ruined. So, it's better safe than sorry. So, ayan. Ginatansya ko lang. Every stroke, dapat perfect ang pagkalagay. So, okay. Next is, ganyan lang. So, alam nyo naman mag-eyeliner, no? Very basic lang naman yung eyeliner. So, ganyan lang. Okay. Alright, next one. Okay, pataas muna. And, at saka mo siya i-connect. Ganyan. And, at saka mo siya i-shade. Diba? Very basic lang. And, of course, tignan mo kung pantay. And, ayan, adjust lang ang shape to your liking. So, okay. Alright. Okay, perfect na. Tama na. Okay na, next na. Dito na tayo sa inner. So, ang inner dapat very light-handed lang kasi very, yan dyan, very mahirap, like, perfect. Dapat tama yung angle ng brush mo kasi if it wasn't, it would look weird sa yung eyes. So, ayan. Ganyan lang. So, while I'm lining it, tingnan ko yung kabilang mata ko. Making sure that it is all even. So, yes. Okay, adjust lang here and there until it's all like, twins. Okay, next kailangan natin ng black na eyeliner na ginamit natin pang kilay para dito sa ating waterline because we want that tight waterline kasi smoky eyes yung ating look for today's video. So as you can see here, very dramatic talaga yung effect nung black na eyeliner sa ating waterline. O diba? Perfect. It brings the look all together. Pati dito sa ating eyelashes sa taas, lagyan din natin para mas maganda tignan. Alam mo yun, mas professional ang dating tignan. Kahit na HD na camera, perfect pa rin yung ating makeup. So, yes. And that is pretty much it, guys. Magka-curler lang ako nito and mag-eyeliner. Tapos maglalagay ng false eyelashes, magkukontour, and lipstick. And that's all. So, let's get right into the final look. So, this is now the final look, guys. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, please do comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you on my next vlog. Bye!